100 webinars. We just can't stop.
Works Love Made Visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning,
Team engagement, and
our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work.
you said that we do not record ourselves when we're presenting. I will bet that more than 50% of salespeople in the Philippines or in the world deliver sales presentations even pre-COVID, but have not seen themselves present. Yes? Ang basketball player nanonood ng tape. Kahit na wala ng tape ngayon, they still call it tape. Yeah? Because I play basketball. For those of you who play basketball on a more competitive level, after the game, you play the tape. Diba? Wala nang ang tape, pero you still play that. You pause and play. Pause, look at the play. Resume what happens. How can you guard against that defense? Yes, because that's how you improve. Any performer, singer, celebrity, they watch their videos. Bakit yung mga salespeople present ng present and they don't know how to improve? Because they're not watching themselves in action. You have to hurdle that first fear, and fear unconsciously saying, oops, nakaka-conscious makita ang sarili ko sa video. Ganyan din po ako nung una. I just started early. If you don't know my background, 19 years old, I'm an instructor in De La Salle University. Right after my graduation, hindi pa po ako gumagraduate. They got me in as the youngest faculty member of De La Salle University Psychology Department. And at that point, nag-audio recording na ako ng aking mga lectures at pinapakinggan. Wala pa kasing video nun, mahal pa no? Betamax pa nun, saka VHS in 1991, 1992. But now, have the luxury of your video recorder in your phone, please do use it. So, major point, Pen, it's really revealing. Pag pinanood mo yung video, sa una lang yung you cringe, di ba? How many of you can relate to that? Yung pinapanood mo yung sarili mo, nakaka-conscious. Yes. But that's where the polishing really happens. As simple as saan ang angulo mo, importante yun. Okay? And I like it that I got you with asynchronous communication. Because take a look at that. While I'm sleeping, you're watching my video. Yes? While I'm doing something, you are watching my video. And how many clients can watch that video? You can send that video, your product presentation, to 10, 20 different clients. It saves you time.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.